In the times that we live in, one basic salary doesn't really seem to cover much in our households. Things are just too expensive. Bills keeps going up and up and up, whereas our salaries just there, are just stagnant, not going up, nothing at all. So it is very, very much important that you also find side hustles or side businesses, side jobs that you can venture in so that you can make some extra income into your life. If you are a teacher or just anyone looking for side hustling ideas that you can start or venture in to make that extra income, then this video is for you. But before I get into today's video, those who do not know me, my name is Letlho Kgonolo, and I welcome you on this channel whereby I talk about side hustling jobs and career development and business in development. So teachers, the most of side hustling ideas that I have for you mostly are online, so you can do it in the comfort of your home, and that's the most best part about this video. The first side hustle idea that I have for you, it is of selling a lesson plan. So if you know that you are good at writing lesson plans, you can really make money out of that. There is a site called Teachers Pay Teachers. I will leave the link in the description box, whereby you can upload your lesson plan, and yes, you sell them on the platform, whereby many teachers go and buy material and resources that they can use to better their careers. So you can register on the platform as a seller and start selling your lesson plans there. What I love about this platform is that you put your own prices, and you can also market your lesson plans. You don't really have to wait and for people to discover you. You can also do your part by promoting your lesson plans, and yes, people are going to buy, and you can be making some extra money with side hustling. Number 2 that I have for you, it is of being an online English teacher. If you have been on the platform with me for some time now, I am sure you are aware that this is one of my favorite side hustling idea that I love talking about here. So do check out the English online jobs and start teaching English in the comfort of your own home. But you're going to be required to have an English teaching course, a TEFL or TESOL certificate. And good news is that I have partnered with International Open Academy, whereby you can get a massive discount. I mean, the course is very expensive in most institutions in South Africa. Even the online one, the international one, they cost about 1.5 to 3,000 rands. So if you use my referral link, you can get a massive discount and get the certificate with just less than 400 rands if you are in South Africa, because from 119 euros you're gonna do it with 19 euros. So I think that's a massive discount. So I'll leave the referral code in the description box, or you can also follow me on my Instagram and ask me further about this so that you can start teaching English online. Side hustle number 3 that I have for you, it is of becoming a tutor. I know it is similar with the one that I just spoke of, but with this one, what I love most about it is you can tutor just any subject that already as a teacher you specialize in. And another thing, I feel it has a lot of varieties, different ways that you can go around this. You can either work for a tutoring company. I will leave the link in the description box, and also I'll put the video that I've done about online tutoring companies in South Africa that you can apply and work as a tutor there. Alternatively, you can get your own student and advertise your tutoring services, whereby you charge certain amount, and during weekends or in the afternoons you do the tutoring on those subjects and you get paid, and the most learners you get, the more money you make. So as a teacher, already you are a teacher. I mean, what could be hard with this? So you can just apply the tutoring jobs with a company, or get your own clients and start giving the tutoring lessons. Side hustle number 4 that I have for you, it is of registering your car with a transportation services. If you have a car and you're not really using it that much, why not let it make money for you? I mean, you can really make some good money in the transport industry. You can register your car with Bolt or with Uber, depending on whatever it's in your area, and start making money out of your car. I will leave the link in the description box there for Bolt. It's my referral code. Do follow the link, go register your car as a driver, and start making some extra money. To qualify is not really a stress. So go follow the link and read more about this, and yeah, start delivering people in the afternoons and on weekends. You can really make some good money. Side hustle number 5 that I have for you, it is of being an author. Not just an author whereby you have to sit and write and think and be creative with writing and spend a lot of time on your laptop. No, I'm talking about an author of low content book. This is a book that, you know, those empty books, the notebooks, you know, the empty books whereby all we care about is just to have the outer cover, you know, beautiful, matching what we want as customers. Let's say it's a journal, a prayer journal, you know, it's just a nice cover that gets my attention. Inside it's empty, it has lines, I just want to write. So you can actually design such books and sell them on Amazon. So all you have to do now is just go Google how to, you know, create a low content book. If you need a video on this, you can tell me. I can create a video specifically for this low content book publishing. There is a site called Kindle Direct Publishing. You can just go there and design your book from there and publish it to Amazon. Even if you do not have money, you can still publish this book, because as soon as you upload it on Amazon, you know, based on the page numbers and, you know, the category that it falls in, Amazon, the app will calculate, you know, the cost, estimate the cost of that book, and let's say maybe it cost $8, and then maybe they say from that $8, the printing cost will be so much, and they want to take 40% or 45, you know, percentage, and you get about 55 percentage. So they're gonna take out the printing costs, and then you and them divide the remaining money amongst you two. So I think it's quite a good way to can make some extra money. You know, all you need to be is just to be creative and design a low content book. It doesn't take time. The day that I found out about this, I actually also went out and tried to do mine. It's actually easy, and you upload it on Amazon. So go Google and read more about publishing a low content book and start, you know, doing that and, you know, selling on Amazon. Another side hustle that I have for you, it is of being a freelance writer. There are a lot of freelancing jobs that are there out there. It's either you get hired as a freelance transcriber, you know, or a writer whereby you listen to an audio and you transcribe exactly what you hear and you send it back, and then they pay you. There are platforms like rev.com and QA sites whereby they hire freelancing writers. So go check them out, and yes, check for freelancing jobs and just Google. There are a lot of freelancing jobs that you can really go into as a teacher and make money online. There are a lot of freelancing jobs out there. There's also a platform, Contenta, whereby you can also go there and check it out and, you know, choose a topic within what you already specialize in as a teacher. You can write essays, you can write articles, you can write a whole lot of things based on your area of specialty. You know, let's say you're a life science teacher, you can write an essay or an article on that, and then they assess when it meets their criteria and their guidelines. You have followed all their guidelines, you get paid for that. You know, you can really makes quite a good money with just writing. I will leave you links in the description box that will help you to just, you know, start freelancing writing jobs. While we just talked about freelance writing, there's also freelance editing and proofreading. So this is another side hustle that you can look into, whereby you just, you know, proofread, or, you know, someone already written their work, they just need someone who can edit and proofread for them, so that when they publish or they take it out there, it is in a good quality. And who else if not a teacher themselves? Sometimes you find that it is a topic that already as a teacher you specialize in. So there's a site, Proofread Anywhere, the company whereby many people, that's where they submit their work, so that, you know, freelance editors and proofreaders can check it out. And if you get an article or whatever material it is that needs to be proofread, you proofread, you edit. And there's also Grammarly that you can use to also help you to be able to proofread the work that's there. And you proofread, you find the mistakes, you find all the grammatical errors and whatever you find there, and you get paid for just reading someone else's work. Another side hustle that I have for you, it is of being a blogger. You can blog about anything and everything, you know, depending on the area of your interest. It can be about your field as a teacher. You know, I mean, like all the material that you see on Google is not because, you know, magically appeared there. It was written by people. Though it won't make money immediately, but if you stick by it over time, you can really, make some good money. But to have a blog, it's also free. You can create a blog for free, but you'll have to pay some extra money for web hosting. And as you know me, I'm your girl. I love hooking you up. I'll leave a description in the link there whereby you can get a discount on Bluehost web hosting. So go get your blog started off and start talking about anything and anything, everything of your interest, and stick by it. Eventually you will start seeing the benefits. You'll start seeing money coming in, but though of course it will really take some. Lastly, another job that I have for you, it is of being a public speaker or a presenter, not on TV, but if ever you want to be on TV or on radio, why not? You can still do this. But what I want to talk more about is there are those companies that deal with public, they do public participation processes whereby someone has to go and talk to the public about a certain matter, whether it's a certain project or whether there's a project that's going to be happening there. You can approach such companies because not everyone has time to go do that, and some that just scared. People still are scared to talk in front of people, so you can take that to your advantage, because as a teacher you are probably used to talking to people, and the good thing is you're not gonna go alone there. So of course you'll have to study and know about the brand or the product or the project that you have to present in front of people, and they'll have their team there. So in terms of when questions arise or when extra information needs to be added on, they will add on and everything, but you'll do the entire talking and everything, and you get paid for that. I feel as a teacher you can really make some good money. So those are the side hustles that I had for you. So if you enjoyed the video, please give it massive thumbs up, do comment and tell me what you think about it, and please do share, and thank you for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe. I really enjoy and appreciate each and every one of you. Yes, bye bye and God bless.